Okay, chat, welcome to today's stream. My bad for not streaming for a couple of days. Today we're gonna be doing the ATV. We're gonna be driving it. Let's check it out now. Come. Hello, brother.
Hello.
Welcome, welcome. Okay. ATV, one person, buggy. Which one better, ATV or buggy? Which one faster?
It's about ATV.
ATV?
Right.
Okay, I get ATV.
30 minutes?
30 minutes. 30 minutes.
And this insurance.
Okay, insurance as well?
You put in your name, passport number, birthday and nationality.
Okay.
It's for safety.
Just point it there.
ชายคุมเลยนะ And one name, okay?
Yeah.
It's a green. Okay.
30 minutes?
30 minutes.
Okay. How much?
1,200.
Hey. I got it.
Okay. And this to go this way, down there.
30 minutes? Okay, come check. Where I go? Okay. Helmet. Hello, how are you? Come this way. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Let's go, chat. I'm ready. We're gonna do the football crazy golf next, so tune in for that as well. This one, I have to take this one. You can wait. Okay, no worries.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, chat. Wait here. Bring this. Okay, chat. Look at this.
This brake.
Okay, this one brake.
And back brake.
Okay.
Okay. Power.
Okay, that's the power
Okay.
then.
Automatic, yeah?
Okay.
Automatic. Go down and pull back.
Okay,
Okay, follow me.
no worries. Chat, we're gonna follow him.
Yeah.
Let's go. Wait.
Power.
Okay. Yeah, chat, have a look at that. Oh my days. Why is it so rough? Oh, hey.
Pull back.
Okay. Hey, chat, it's a bit. It's not aligned as well. Hey! Hey, chat, this is not easy. Okay. Now I've got it. Holy. Chat, we got it. Oh shit. Okay. Chat, let me not get carried away. Oh shit! Chat, have a look at that! It's not super never easy, but we there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh cow. Now we're getting it. Oi. Holy. Oh shit. I still got it. We still here, chat. Chat, let me not crash this thing because I'm not trying to pay as well. We're going up. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey. What the fuck? Hey! Yeah. Oh! Oh shit! Chat, I'm stuck. Yeah. How I go back? Okay. Yeah. Oh! Oh shit, shit. Yeah, not looking good. Sorry, brother, sorry. All good? All good? Chat, I need to be a bit better with this. All good? Okay. Trail's not that easy. Now what you telling me? Yeah. Whoa. Right. Okay, chat. Holy. Yeah, chat. Okay, slowly here. Chat, there's a big ass puddle. Okay, we're not going that way. Chat, I don't know how he's recording the camera. He's doing it that well. Oh shit. The cows. Hey. Chat, he like. Okay. Come on, chat. Oh, we going onto the main road. This track is nice. This track is quiet. Rocky. Hey! Fuck! Oh my days. Not again, chat. Not again.
Hello, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, brother.
Yeah.
Oh.
Chat, I don't know how he's gonna pull this out. Okay. Chat, I don't know how I keep failing. I don't know.
Okay,
Thank you. Let's go, let's go. It's getting rocky. Chat. You need proper control for this. I don't even know how I'm still on. Oh, wait. Two brake? Okay.
Very good.
Not a bad experience, chat. I swear mine's just not aligned though, that's it. Okay, now I'm liking it. Now I'm liking it. What you telling me? What's that? Come on, chat.
Đây ครับ ตรงทางขึ้นจุดชมวิวอะ
Chat. Let's see my drifts, chat. Photo, yeah, yes, please. Let me put it in photo.
I'm sorry.
Let me clean the lenses, chat.
Okay.
Photo. Well, I can take this one off for photo?
Yeah.
Okay. How I take off?
I'm sorry.
Okay. You can hold this one. Thank you, brother. Quick Aura Farm chat. You know how it is.
Yeah, look up today, look there. Look number.
You click photo?
1, 2, 3. Again, 1. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you, brother. Now I'll follow you back.
Go, look. Thì có hai phút cấp lại tiếp cận mấy nằm cho mấy.
Về mình coi chạy đâu à? Nó đi, cấpไปก่อนนะ
Ok, nó cứ đại cho mấy.
Cái rồi làm được.
All good. Thank you, brother. Chat, it's so hot today. Not even funny.
Power, okay?
Okay.
Slowly.
Slowly, chat, he says. Oh, now I know why he said that. Now I know why he said that. Oppa. Yeah. Not a bad experience, chat. Not a bad experience at all. I low-key liked it. It was quick, but I never rode one of these in my life, so you know. The next stop is to ride it in Dubai. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, chat, we're finishing up now. The trip is finished. And then we're gonna go to the football next. Okay. It's not done yet, chat. Oh. You're doing it. Have a look at the turns, lad. type of shoes to wear. Okay. Woo. Chat, we're going back now. Low-key deadly experience. I didn't think I was gonna get muddy though. But it is what it is. The instructor is hectic. His arms are hurting but from holding him. But chat, we might have to tip him because of that. Okay, shortcuts. Yeah. Shortcuts and that. Boy. We stop here? Okay. Chat, we're gonna pet some goats. Sweet. Not bad at all, cruising. Okay, me? Okay. Thank you, brother. How are you? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good, man.
How are you? What sound did it make? It go ah, like that. Bah, 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 bah. Okay, chat. Here, up here. Yeah. Chat, if only eating was this easy for us. Just the plants. There's another one. Meow meow. This way, okay. Yay. Yeah. Thank you, brother.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh. They're stuck together, chat.
Sorry.
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. We done, chat. How oh, which one? Okay.
Good.
Done, chat. Thank you, brother. That was a good
Sorry.
experience. Okay, yeah.
Sorry. Okay,
Thank you,
drink
brother.
water.
Okay. Is there water to wash? Okay. Okay.
Toilet, come here, toilet.
Toilet? Yeah? Okay, thank you, brother. Chat, I don't know where to leave you guys. Yeah, chat, I'm just gonna have to hold you guys like this. It's everywhere. Chat, my shoes are finished. My shoes are done. Okay, chat. Chat, that's the ATV done. We're gonna suss out the football crazy golf now. Wasn't a bad experience, I liked it. Hey brother, how are you? And then yeah, so the football golf. But look chat, look, the shoes, the bag, everything's finished. Experience. It's a whole golf thing, but just football and bigger holes. Chat, the weather is insane. Have a look at the view. Hello. They're open. This looks like a nice family-owned business. How much it costs? Adult 800. 700 baht? Okay. Chat 700, we're gonna, is it all of it? Okay. How long? 8. Okay. How many minutes?
กี่นาที
เล่นประมาณเล่นเป็นอยู่ประมาณ40-50 นาที
Chat, let's see where this takes us. It's a very, very big course. I don't think I'll do the whole course, but
ตั้งอยู่นี่
เขาเล่นไงอ่ะ
เหมือนกอล์ฟเลยเซมกอล์ฟเซมกอล์ฟเล่นกอล์ฟเป็นไหมเซมกอล์ฟ
huh?
เซมกอล์ฟ
Okay. Thank you.
เชิดให้เชิดตัวหนึ่งให้เชิดตัวหนึ่งเดี๋ยวให้เชิดตัวหนึ่งชอบใจ
Try and
ถู
good
กใจ
ball.
ให้เชิด
ให้ไปเลยใช่ไหมครับ
Shirt? Nah, shirt, no worries. It's fine, it's fine.
Free you free
No, it's fine, it's fine. Thank you, though. It's fine.
ไม่เอาอีกแล้วโอเค
Thank you, thank you.
เย็นเลยสตาร์ท
Okay.
อยากจะให้ตัว
Where I kick?
สตาร์ทเย็นเลยสตาร์ทมาโห
Okay.
โอเค
Chat, let's get it started.
เอาถ่ายไปดูเอาถ่ายไปโอเคไป
Oh, too much on that one. Oh! Okay. You want to do it as well, or you want ball? You want to do it? You want to kick?
No.
Okay. All right, chat. I don't know how to score golf, but we're just gonna count how many kicks it takes for each. Ready? Watch this. No look, chat. No look. Whee! Already. Next one. Let's go number 2. Okay, number 2, I don't know where the hole is. Do I go for that one? Where am I kicking it? Chat, I think I gotta kick it and it goes around here. Oi! I'm not too sure, chat. I don't know where this one was supposed to go. I'm gonna just start. Oh, it was here, number 2. Okay, chat, let me redo that one. Come. Number 2. Where's number 2 start again? Yeah? Okay. You got it. Chat, off the rock is a bit harder, but watch this, they don't know me. They don't call me Lamine Yamal for no reason. Oh, that's horrendous. That's horrific. That's horrific. Chat, watch the curler. Okay, number 2 has taken us 2 kicks. Okay, ready, chat? Bang. Number 2. Where's number 3? All right, chat, so we're looking for very close, come close, like here. Like here, no. Come. Like stand here, closer. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Okay, number 3 now, chat. But I don't know where the number 3 hole is. This one's a bit, okay, the number 3 hole, chat, is you see that flag right there? Can you go to that one, number 3? Thank you, brother. Chat, they don't know me. Watch out. No, move this way. It's there, yeah, okay. All right, chat. Actually, never mind. Don't worry about the Sue. I'm Lamine Yamal. Oh my days, chat. This is not looking good. All right, chat. From here, I gotta somehow. Oh. I don't want to break anything, chat. Number 3 is so far away. Like I'm gonna have to do that and then left foot curl. Oh my God. Chat, this one's taking too long. Okay, ready? Left foot curl inside. Chat, I'm doing laps at this point. Chat, we're gonna go to the first 10. Hey, save. Hey. Chat, this number 3. Don't watch this number 3. We're gonna get it and then we're gonna forget about it. Okay, doing me justice. Now watch, chat. Watch the magic happen, chat. Yeah. Oh! Okay, we got it. Number 4. Hey, don't worry about number 3, chat. That one is, I don't know. 4. See number 4. Ah, 4 there. Nah, number 4. Okay, 4 here. Slowly. Whoa. Okay, chat. They don't know about the accuracy, chat. Ready? Watch accuracy. Look at that. Straight. Hey, camera. Okay, chat. Chat, no look. Oh, oh my God. Okay. Okay. Number 5. Number 5 here. Where's number 5? Chat, I can't tell if number 5 is that one all the way down there. Which one, number 5? Number 5. Chat, we're gonna go with left foot YEYAA for number 5. When I kick, record the ball when it rolls. Okay. Hey. Chat, ready, watch. You see, weak foot, YEYAA through the trees into the thing. Oh, wait. Sorry. Fuck. Hey. Chat, I don't know how, I don't want to go around here, man. Oh my God. Sorry. Watch the magic. Too much power on it, chat. I need to, I need to relax a bit. Chat, ready? Watch this. Oh my God. Off to number 9. Where's number 9? 9 here. What is that? Okay. Oh, chat. Come here. Have a look at number 9. Look how far it is. You can't even see it. Let me show you. Number 9, chat. Through that, I have to get. It's a bit of a sticky one. We're gonna have to go left foot. Lamine Yamal, like always. But you see the form, chat. You see. Oh, all good. Okay, chat. We got it here. You're gonna have to do a big drag. It keeps getting stuck in the corners. That counts as, oh my God. Chat, this is not looking good at all. Thank you. Number 10, where's number 10? Number 10 here. You see number 10?
No.
Okay, chat, it says here we're just gonna have to kick it and then we're gonna have to go see. Travella. Oh my God. Please don't go. First, I have to give it one kick. Chat, I can't see number 10, that's the thing. Cut through all there. Now come, chat, come. Hey, okay, number 10's here. One to get it out. And then now, I'm gonna take the hill approach. A little touch. And now come. Little touch. And then, bang. Oh, Chad, what are you talking about? Hey, this is not looking good. Chat, what should I do? What different type of technique? I'm just gonna roll it. Bang. How many left? 6? Only 6? 16 last one? Chat, we're gonna end up finishing it. I was only gonna do 10, but we're gonna finish it. We're gonna do 16. Let's go. 11. Chat, I like this one. Cause you know me, my through balls were class. You see that 11? This is gonna be a pass straight through to the striker. You record me kick, and then when the ball goes, record the ball. So record me? Yeah, okay. Chat, if it wasn't for that little boulder, that's greens. You can pick it up from here. You wanna talk? Okay, let's go. Chat, number 11 was a bit of a far one. Any of you watching this, don't be like, oh, this guy's trash, this, that. I'm using a flat ball, my nigga. And it's a football mini golf. There's like rocks everywhere. But hey, last one, we're gonna go trick shot. It's because I'm holding the camera. Okay. One motion, chat. Bang. Number 11. Oh, that's number 11. Number 12 is here. Chat, number 12, I don't know how this works, but you need to get it through the hole, let it roll on this little part of the hill, and then through the other hole. Okay, yeah, perfect, perfect. Oh! Chat. Oh. Okay. Wait. I come. I have to do one more. It's spun. One. Chat. Thank you, number 12, just like that. 13 is here. Chat, I don't even see. It gets harder and harder. I can't. Okay. 13 is around this tree. You have to do a bit of a curler. Let me fix this one. Okay. Ready? Wait, point at me, point at me. Chat, start the edit music, let's go. Chat, come on. Oh, chat, I think I was supposed to go through here. Not a curl. From here, what we're gonna do, when it's close, we're gonna try to do more trick shots. So right now, I'm gonna try to get it on my knee and I'm gonna roll it.